How to get $60 Amazon promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Amazon promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. All these websites will provide you working promo codes for Amazon. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Coupon Follow. After you open it, you're going to find great deals and offers. Scroll down, 25% off, free shipping, $15 off, $25 off, and many more. You just have to scroll and check. If you are interested in any of the coupon code and want to use it, click on it. You will get the code. Now you can copy it, head towards the website of Amazon, make your purchase, and while you check out, apply this code and get the discount. If you want to redeem this code right away, click on this option of Redeem at Amazon. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Amazon. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and while you check out, you will find the section of promo code. Over there, paste the code, and with that, you will get certain amount as a discount. Likewise, you can also try out these offers. Also go through these websites, as this website will also provide you working promo codes for Amazon. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can get up to $60 Amazon promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.